In today's video, I'll show you how you can get the Black Friday deal on Pictory. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go here into the website of Pictory using the link on the description. Once you're here using that link, you will now be able to get the Black Friday sale as long as you're still within the event period. So you can see the countdown right here, so make sure to act fast. In here, you can click here on get the deal, and then you'll now be prompted into the pricing plans. So you could go for annual pricing so that you'd be able to save up to 50% off. So this would be the Black Friday sale and an extra 2,400 bonus AI credits. So make sure to enable this. And in here, we should now have the Black Friday sale notice right here. So you can choose the starter, professional, and team or enterprise right here. So depending on which one you'd want, but the Black Friday sale is only applicable here in the starter or professional plan. So now you can click here on buy now, or you could also get free trial if you just want to try it out first. So click here on buy now, for example, and then you'll now be taken into the checkout page. So in here, you should now be able to see that we have the Black Friday sale coupon applied automatically because you use the link in the description. And you can see what you're buying right here: professional annual, get images, 11 labs, and then the 2,400 AI credits at $100 value. So it's added right here. And that's it. And now you can provide your payment information here on the left side. Once it's done, click here on complete purchase. Once the charge has been completed or paid, then you have now successfully purchased a subscription here in Pictory AI using the Black Friday deal with a massive discount. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.